Erectile dysfunction occurs when a man experiences difficulty in achieving an erection for sexual activity. Did you know that studies indicate approximately 30 million men in America grapple with this issue? It affects nearly half of all American men aged 40 and above. Factors such as heart disease and elevated blood sugar levels may heighten the risk of developing erectile dysfunction. Fortunately, there are natural foods that can aid in alleviating this condition. Without further ado, let's explore them. Food number 1. Coffee. Coffee isn't just a flavorful morning boost, it might also enhance your romantic experiences. Research suggests that men who drink 2 to 3 cups of coffee per day have a reduced risk of erectile dysfunction. Another study involving over 3,000 males found that those with higher daily caffeine intake were less prone to experiencing erectile issues compared to those with lower consumption. Therefore, it's safe to consider coffee as one of the natural remedies for addressing erectile dysfunction. Before we delve further, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Food number 2. Watermelon. Watermelon contains citrulline, a compound beneficial for penile health. The sweet and refreshing properties of this fruit might mimic the effects of medications used to treat erectile dysfunction by promoting healthy blood vessel function. Studies suggest that watermelon could potentially enhance libido as well. Besides its hydrating qualities, watermelon is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant known for supporting prostate health, as well as benefiting the heart and skin. Consequently, watermelon is recognized as a natural dietary option for promoting strong erections, as it aids in blood vessel relaxation and dilation, facilitating optimal blood flow to the reproductive organs. Food number 3. Spinach. Research suggests a correlation between erectile dysfunction and low levels of folic acid in the bloodstream. Folate, also known as folic acid, is recognized for its ability to improve blood flow, thereby potentially enhancing sexual function in men. Cooked spinach stands out as a top source of folate, providing approximately 77% of the recommended daily value per cup. Moreover, spinach contains significant amounts of magnesium, which further supports blood flow and may contribute to higher testosterone levels. Additionally, spinach is rich in nitric oxide, which aids in arterial dilation, facilitating smoother blood flow. Studies indicate that incorporating spinach into one's diet significantly boosts nitric oxide levels while adding minimal calories. The combined benefits of nitrates, folates, and magnesium found in spinach can promote overall circulatory health, including optimal function of the reproductive organs. Food number 4. Salmon. Endothelial dysfunction arises when blood vessels and organs struggle to circulate blood efficiently. Numerous studies have highlighted the efficacy of vitamin D supplements in addressing this condition due to their rich vitamin D content. Salmon, renowned for its high vitamin D content, stands out as an excellent dietary choice for combating erectile dysfunction. Given that approximately 80% of vitamin D is synthesized through sunlight exposure, incorporating salmon into your diet can help supplement this essential nutrient, especially if outdoor exposure is limited. Therefore, it's advisable to include natural vitamin D-rich foods like salmon in your daily meals to aid in the treatment of erectile dysfunction. Food number 5. Nuts. When LDL cholesterol accumulates in your blood vessels, it impedes the flow of blood to vital organs, including the reproductive system. Conversely, high-density lipoprotein, HDL, known as good cholesterol, is plentiful in nuts such as almonds and walnuts. These nuts provide essential nutrients that aid in transporting harmful cholesterol back to the liver for processing and elimination. Walnuts, in particular, are rich in arginine, an amino acid utilized by the body to produce nitric oxide, which supports vascular health. Additionally, nuts are recognized as excellent sources of fiber, folic acid, and vitamin E. Incorporating a handful of nuts into your daily diet is advisable, as they are natural foods known to alleviate erectile dysfunction. Food number 6. Carrots. Interested in boosting your sperm count? Consider incorporating more carrots into your diet. Carrots have been traditionally used in folk medicine to address male infertility, attributed to their rich carotenoid content. These compounds not only enhance sperm motility but also provide numerous health benefits, particularly for reproductive organ health. The orange-colored antioxidants known as carotenoids found in carrots play a significant role in promoting overall reproductive wellness. Food number 7. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate stands out as a top natural remedy for addressing erectile dysfunction, thanks to its rich flavanol content. Flavanols, plant compounds abundant in dark chocolate, offer numerous health benefits, including enhanced blood flow and lowered blood pressure. This improved circulation extends throughout the body, benefiting the reproductive organs as well. Moreover, consumption of dark chocolate stimulates the production of nitric oxide, a compound vital for achieving erections and commonly utilized in erectile dysfunction medications. However, it's important to consume dark chocolate in moderation, as excessive intake may lead to weight gain due to its high sugar and fat content. Food number 8. Blueberries and oranges. An Oxford University study suggests that consuming foods rich in flavonoids can reduce the risk of erectile dysfunction by 9 to 11%. Despite their differences, blueberries and oranges share a common trait: both are rich in flavonoids. These compounds play a crucial role in enhancing blood flow to the reproductive organs, thereby promoting better stimulation and resulting in improved erections. Food number 9. Avocados. Interestingly, when the Aztecs stumbled upon avocados around 500 BC, they named them after a term that referred to testicles, inspired by their shape and the fact that they typically grow in pairs on avocado trees. Surprisingly, the Aztecs' association wasn't entirely off the mark. Avocados serve as a rich source of vitamin E, which plays a crucial role in enhancing sperm quality in fertile men. A medium-sized avocado contains approximately 21% of the daily requirement for vitamin E. Additionally, it provides about 9% of the recommended daily intake of zinc, a mineral essential for testosterone production, sperm quality, and overall fertility. Food number 10. Chili peppers. Research indicates that capsaicin, a compound present in hot peppers, can enhance blood flow to the penile region, resulting in improved erections. French researchers have observed that men who incorporate more spicy foods into their diets tend to exhibit higher testosterone levels. Additionally, another study has established a link between symptoms of low testosterone in men and their ability to achieve and maintain erections when stimulated. Consuming chili peppers or spicy spices may aid in hastening blood flow to the reproductive organs. Furthermore, chili peppers have been found to activate the brain's pleasure center, potentially elevating mood and exerting an aphrodisiac effect. If you're seeking natural remedies for erectile dysfunction, considering adding chili peppers to your shopping list could be beneficial. Food number 11. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are abundant in nutrients and antioxidants, offering potential benefits for men's sexual health, fertility, and prostate health. They are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant responsible for their vibrant red hue, which has been associated with enhanced sperm production. Additionally, tomatoes are a significant source of vitamin C, which may support increased sperm production in men. Furthermore, regular consumption of tomatoes has been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer, thanks to their high lycopene content. A small-scale study involving 44 infertile men found that consuming tomato juice over a 12-week period led to improved sperm motility and enhanced sperm health. Food number 12. Apples. Apples provide a plethora of health benefits, including support for prostate health. Salicylic acid, a prominent compound found in apple peels, has garnered attention for its potential role in combating prostate cancer. Test tube studies suggest that salicylic acid may inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells by depriving them of essential nutrients. Additionally, numerous studies have indicated that men who consume a diet rich in fruits like apples are more likely to survive prostate cancer. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.